All right, Jamie, thank you. New at 10 tonight, a massive construction project has a major artery in Provo down to just one lane now.
The University Avenue Bridge project started 3 months ago, coming with a price tag of nearly $70 million. As Natalie Wattis reports, all the construction is impacting local businesses.
UDOT tells me a lot of the work that's been done on this bridge behind me up until now has been on things that aren't readily seen, like underground infrastructure.
It's very important that we get that work done before we can really move on.
While construction on the University Avenue Bridge, including working on sewer, water, and other utility lines, is moving along at a good clip, traffic here admittedly has not been. How has it been in the morning?
It's a nightmare. Honestly, it's just a gridlock. No one can get anywhere. Frankly, it feels like Provo didn't consider the residents or businesses at all when they decided.
Camry Christensen works for her parents' business, Imagewear, which has been in Provo for roughly 40 years. She says construction projects in the area over the years have made it more and more difficult to access their storefront, and says business has slowed down since the bridge construction started in October.
We don't have as much foot traffic for sure.
UDOT acknowledges the slowdown and asks people to use alternate routes and be careful through the construction zone.
You're gonna get delays, especially during rush hour if you try to go across the bridge because it is reduced to a single lane.
What's your outlook, like knowing that it's probably going to be another 2 years, at least on that street?
Well, the outlook after a month of it is pretty dismal, so it's frustrating to think that it's going to be continuing for another couple years.
She says it's caused her to think about moving elsewhere.
It makes it challenging to live here.
It will be a while until this road is back to normal. UDOT estimates that this project will wrap up in 2027. In Provo, Natalie Wattis, KUTV 2 News.